Mr. Francis here once again to show you something interesting using virtual platforms. Okay, today I won't zero in on education, but I'm going to do general teaching today just to show you something you could use that will be very valuable for your organization and this time of COVID-19 and beyond. Okay, if you want to have a virtual meeting, Google actually gives you a platform called Google Meet. Google Meet is a platform that allows you to host a meeting online, and it's free. Okay, to host a virtual meeting. Okay, you could share ideas, you could share documents, and you could see yourselves, you could talk, and generally it's a good one to have. Okay, it's a good one. Okay, it's a good one to have. Alright, so what's the first thing you do to start up Google Meet? You open up your browser. Okay, open up your browser, and then in the URL box you type meet.google.com, like you can see here, meet.google.com, and you click on your enter key. You tap on your enter key rather. You should come to a page like this. Okay, you should come to a page like this. Alright, so if you are the one initiating the meeting, you click on the start a meeting icon, or if you are joining a meeting using a meeting code, you enter your meeting code here and you join. Normally if you're joining a meeting, a link should be shared to you. Okay, that makes it a whole lot easier. Once you click on the link, it prompts the person that is the host of the meeting to actually accept you. I think we'll be demonstrating that here also. So if you're going to host a meeting, this is what you do. You click on start a meeting. Okay, start a meeting. Alright, and then you have this prompt come up for you. Okay, I'm going to put off my camera. Alright, but that is for the camera. This is for the camera, and this is for the microphone. Okay, this is for the camera, and this is for the microphone. All right, this button here ensures that nobody can hear you in the meeting, and this is very useful for when you have a lot of people in the meeting and then one person is speaking. You don't want to have interference from the outside, so you just quickly click on this to mute it. All right, and then if you don't want your faces to be seen, you could quickly turn off the camera right here. Okay, so you see there are two options here. You have join now, you have present. I would advise you to click on the join now first. Okay, you join now first, and then you have this prompt. Okay, this prompt comes up. Okay, now there are two ways of inviting people to join your meeting. Alright, so you can either copy the link by clicking on it and pasting it on a general platform like your WhatsApp platform, or sending it to them via email. You could use this, or you could click on add people. Alright, the add people option allows you to add people using their email, their personal emails. So if you add an email here, if you use an email here, type the person's email, the person is going to get a personal invite sent to their mailbox. From there they can join the meeting. Okay, so it's either you use the copy joining info or you use the email option. All right, so go to your platform, you click on you paste the link, and then they're able to access your meetings. So let me just show you a few things here, and to get familiarized with the platform. Okay, so you can always get your meeting info from here by clicking on meeting details. All right, so you could always get it from here. All right, and like I told you, this is for your muting the mic, this is for ending the call when everything is done, and then this is for turning on the camera and turning it on as well. Okay, so you could also turn on captions so that in case you want what you're saying to be translated, like you can see on the screen now, Google Translate is actually translating what I'm saying for those that are in the meeting. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. All right, then you could, in case you want to do a presentation, maybe a slide, maybe your entire screen, whatever it is you want to do, you can always use this. So you click on present now, and then you get to select if you want to present your entire screen, if you want to present a window, or if you want to present a Chrome tab. If you want to present only a specific tab, you use this. If you want to present your whole window, you use this. want to present your entire screen, you use this. Okay, sorry about that, my device is actually making a lot of noise. Okay, so I'm just going to unplug it now. Alright, so okay, let me present my entire screen so that you see what it looks like. I'll click on entire screen. Okay, this appears showing you my entire screen. I click on it and then I click on share. Okay, so everybody can now see my screen. Everybody on the call can see my screen. Okay, yes, this prompt tells you that you are now sharing your screen. Okay, now to see everybody on in the meeting, you can quickly click on this people's icon and then you'll see everybody lined up here. So far it's just me on my presentation screen. Alright, you could also add people from here as well. Okay, then Google Meet also gives you an option of chatting. Okay, there's a chat option present, so you can drop a comment in case you want responses from your colleagues, okay, and you don't want them to speak. They could use a chat to draw attention to things as well. So you click on the chat and it pops up. Alright, yes. So also you can pin somebody's presentation. Okay, you can pin it. You can click on this and then click here and then you'll be able to pin the person's presentation. Alright, so let's join this meeting using another account. So I'm just going to paste the link right here. I'm going to paste the link. Let me just remove this extra stuff. Okay, and then let's paste the link. Okay, now I'll be joining my own meeting. Okay, I'll be joining my own meeting just now. Right. So I'll put up my microphone so I don't have callbacks. So you can see it's saying that Francis Techhead is already on this call. So you know many people that are already in the meeting once you're coming in. So if I click on join now, alright. So let me mute myself. Alright, so you can see on both sides I'm there. Now this is the screen being presented right here. Okay, I can see Francis Techhead's screen. You can see the screen right here. It's very simple. Okay, you join in using the link and you're already in the meeting. So whatever is happening on this other side, I get to see on this side. Okay, so that's how to actually create an online meeting using Google Meet. Alright, also if it gets to a point where one of your participants is unruly and you want to get him out of the meeting, okay, as a host you can actually mute his microphone and you can actually remove him from the meeting. So you click on the person you want. Okay, this option allows you to remove the person from the meeting. This option allows you to mute the person. Take note, you cannot actually unmute somebody, you can only mute. And then this allows you to pin their screen on your presentation or on your screen. Okay, so that's how to create a meeting using Google Meet. Right, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to recommend to others. Okay, have a good one.